night across the big island until they saw a small Limasawa Ocean. Magellan landed in Olongapo City to get some hungry cat. They were very happy. But accidentally Magellan he got sick because he's playing with a high voltage lady. When Lapu-Lapu came to rescue, he boarded an airplane from Cebu. And when he saw Magellan on his bed, he cried and cried, and then he said,
Mitolo na, mitolo na. Bakit pare mitolo na? Ang sagot niya Lapu-Lapu, nagpaparaos lang ako.